everybody, how you all doing? This is October 7th, 2025. The month is 1 week old. Isn't that amazing? All right, let's get to work. We're going to go and solve these systems here. And what I want to highlight about 1, 2, 3 is that could you solve an equation that has only two terms, a quadratic equation? The answer is yes. Let's go and attempt that right now. So, whenever you solve a quadratic equation of this type here, you have to first of all factorize. And in order to factorize the term, you have to insert parentheses. Let's go and try that. So we have our parentheses here. And what's the highest common factor for x squared and x? That's going to be x. Because x into x squares x. Yes. X into x squares x. Please note that. Because x times x is x squared. And x into 2x is 2. And from there now, we're going to use our magic words. Either or. I call them magic words. Whatever you call them, you good. You good. I'm going to say either x is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. And from there, we are going to go and process this one here by undoing the -2. So we're going to add 2 to both sides, add 2 here and add 2 here. These two are going to go. So in order to be considered what? X is equal to 0 or x is equal to x to the positive 2. And that's the end of that. So the possibility does exist that you can factorize a quadratic equation with just two terms. Multi-quadratic, of course, because a quadratic equation always yields or always has two solutions, right? Let's go and see how we can apply that to this situation as well. We have two terms, so let's go and see what happens. Yes, so we're going to have to insert our parentheses again. And from there, what's the highest common factor here? X. One element is common. Then we're going to have x into 3x squared is 3x because x times 3x is 3x squared. And x into 5x is negative 5 as a negative, sorry. And from there, we're going to use our magic word, right? You try to distribute, you're going to get back the original. So our magic words are what? Either x equal to 0 or 3x minus 5 equal to 0, right? So it's x equal to 0 as a monomial, and the binomial 3x minus 5 equal to 0, and from there we're going to go and solve this one that needs to be solved. So we're going to go and undo plus -5 with +5. These two are going to go, so we got to leave it. 3x equal to 5. From there, what else we're going to do? We're going to go and do that multiplication at 3 times x. We're going to divide both sides by what is with x. These two are going to go. So what x is equal to? X is equal to 0 or x is equal to -5/3. Write as as 5/3, or you can write as a mixed fraction. The choice is yours. You can stop it there for now. So it's a positive 5/3. So let's go and see what's going on up here now with this one here. We're gonna go and apply it here, see what happens. Two terms again. This one has one element common. This one has one element common. What about this one here now? Do you think that this one has one element common? Let's go and see what's going on. So first of all, we're going to insert our parentheses. Yes, insert of parentheses is a part of it. Please know that. Applicable. So what's common? X is common. And not only x is common, what's the highest common factor? 12 or 4? 4. So we have two elements common. Now you're going to have to divide or multiply. How many 4s are in 12? 3. How many x in x squared? X minus 4x times what gives us -4x? Not x, -1. And from there now, we're going to set up our equations. We're going to have what? We're going to use our magic word what? automatic quadrant what? Either 4x equal to 0 or 3x minus 1 equal to 0. From there, we're going to process this one here. We have multiplication going on here. The opposite of multiplication is what? Division. We're going to divide here by 4 and here by 4. So these two are going to go. So first x value is what? 0. So first x value is 0. Please note that. Let's go and find our second x value. Gotta process this guy here, so we're gonna add 1 to both sides. Make sure you're properly aligned. These two are gonna go, so we're gonna leave what? 3x equal to 1. And from there, what we're gonna get? What I have to do, you have to divide both sides by 1 with x. We're gonna do that. 3 with x, we're gonna divide here by 3 and here by 3. Please note that. These two are going to go. So we can conclude and say what? That x is equal to 0 or x is equal to a third. And that's the end of that. Please note what has happened there. Right? Let us go and try this one here now. See what's up. Yeah, let's go try this one and now see what's up. Yeah. So this one here is not in standard form. It must be in standard form. All these others here, they're in standard form. This one has 3 terms. It's not in standard form, so let's go and put it in standard form. So the first one you're going to have to do is what? Subtract a from both sides and make sure you're properly aligned. So from there, we're going to leave it. 6x squared minus 12x minus 48 equal to 0. If you look carefully, we can simplify this quadratic equation so that it can be dealt with in a simpler manner. So you're going to divide both sides by the highest count factor to 6, 12, and 48. The 6. You're going to divide through by that. So we're going to leave it. 6 into 6x squared is x squared. 6 into negative 12x is negative 2x. And 6 into negative 48 is negative 8. From there, we're going to go get our parentheses going. Okay. And we need to when we multiply them, we get negative 8. And when we add them, we get negative 2. And those two numbers are what? Negative 4 and 2. Negative 4 plus 2. Please note. Right. Yep. And from there now, let's go and write the expanded version of it. We're going to have what? X minus 4 times x plus 2. So please note what's going on there. And from there, we can use our magic formula as what? Either what? X minus 4 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. And from there, we're going to go into the undoing process. I'm going to go and add 4 here and subtract 2 here. These two going to go, these two going to go. So we can conclude and say what? What can we conclude and say? That x is equal to 4 or either x equal to 4 or x equal to negative 2. And this is how basically you solve quadratic equation of this sort. So please note what has happened here. When we come tomorrow, we're going to go and look at some other types of quadratic equations, like the difference of 2 squares and the perfect squares and such like, right? And see how many solutions they have. This one has 2 solutions. You can do a review and see how many solutions they may be having. Thank you very much for watching my video. God bless you, and it's always a pleasure to be up in here serving you in this fashion. My aim is to educate and empower. God bless you, and see you at the top.